Good morning, thanks for joining us today where we're going to have a trip up to Castell de Ocaive, which is a castle just outside of Pedreguer, which is currently under renovation, and I imagine it will be finished this summer, so it'll be fascinating to see what the finished article looks like. So join us on our trip. That's a first. I've not noticed these little caves here before, and I've been here probably a dozen times. Well, that's the first to be opening your eyes. Fascinating. Right, all downhill from here, but it's a north facing wall, so got to be a little bit careful because the sun never really gets on it, so it's always damp and wet. But when you take a chance to just look up at the cliff face there, it looks stunning. Right, finished 5 kilometres, 200 metre ascent, fabulous morning's walk. I think you'll appreciate that it is worth the effort. As I say, it's not a difficult walk, just got to be a little bit careful underfoot, but yes, the bonuses for getting up the top there are spectacular. So hope you enjoyed it. Join me on another walk soon.